Hello, namaste, namaskara. I'm Matthew, your stock market teacher, and welcome to my channel, Stock Market Teacher. I hope you all had a prosperous Diwali, a wonderful Diwali, and I wish you and your family health and wealth in the coming years. Once a question was asked to Warren Buffett. Your strategy is so simple, yet nobody tries to follow it. And why is that? And you know what Warren Buffett replied? Warren Buffett said that nobody wants to get rich slowly. And yes, my friends, that's the fact of this market. Everybody is in a hurry. Everybody is impatient to make money in the markets. And that is why most of them, those who come to the markets, hand over their hard-earned money to the professionals who are not in a hurry to make money in the markets, but they want to follow due diligence, a proper risk management, and to follow their process. So stock market is not a place wherein you come to get rich quick, fast. Stock market is a place if you are really serious about it, and if you want to generate wealth, you need to look at it doing it slowly, steadily, and consistently. All right, so that is a small wisdom that I wanted to share with you, which Warren Buffett has always practiced. And the thing is, market is a place wherein a lot of amateurs, okay, the newcomers, the beginners, okay, think that it is an easy money. Yes, it is an easy money if you know what you can do in the markets, if you are prepared for it, if you have put in the number of hours to understand the markets. All right, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can look at generating wealth through simple strategies in the markets. No complications involved, just by understanding the price action. So please do watch this video till the end. Do not hop and skip, and you will miss a lot of information that I am sharing with you. This video could be a little long because I'm really putting in all my effort to make you understand how the things work in the markets, and I'm sharing with you the secrets of generating wealth in the market. So do watch this video till the end, and all I want from you is a support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your friends and family. All right, so let's begin and understand the stocks that I'm discussing with you today. I'm discussing with you 3 stocks today. Watch this video till the end to understand why I have selected these 3 stocks, what is the potential for these stocks, and what is the return on investment that I'm looking at on these particular stocks. Do not take these 3 stocks as a recommendation to buy or sell it. These videos that I make is purely for educational purposes. All right, let's begin and see which is the first stock that I'm looking at. So the first stock that I'm looking at is Spandana Spurti. All right, so this is the first stock that I am looking at. Now if this is the price chart, this is the price action that you can see on this particular daily time frame on Spandana Spurti. All right, so what are you looking at? What are you looking at in this stock? If you see this particular stock, this stock has made a fall. Okay, it has made a fall of 40%, nearly 40%. All right, so this is the fall that you're looking at in the stock. All right, now if you have seen my previous videos, and if you have not, please I request you to go and see all my videos. There is so much of information that I have shared, and so much, and in the previous videos I have shared with you few stocks which have made massive returns on the analysis that I have made. Now the first thing that I always look out for is a low risk trade. That is, if the trade that goes against me, I will take a small loss and get out of the stock. So those are the trades that I personally prefer when I'm looking at the stock. So if you look at this particular stock, this is again a low risk trade where the stock has fallen nearly 40%. So why am I interested in this stock? Okay, why am I interested in this stock? This simply for a fact that if you see the weekly time frame, okay, if you see the weekly time frame on this particular chart, all right, so it's taking some time to pull up. Okay, there you go. If you see the weekly time frame, what do you see here? A simple concept of bulls protecting their territory. Okay, the simple concept of bulls protecting their territory, which is called as a support level. Now if you see here what has happened here, okay, I just want to make it easy for you to understand. There is no complications involved when you're doing chart analysis. All you need to find out where the bulls are stronger, take a trade. And no, it's not that only by taking a trade bulls are stronger. You need to be prepared for the uncertainties that if the trade goes against you, you come out with a small loss. All right, so now if you see here, this is the zone of interest for me. Now why this is zone of interest? For a simple fact that this is a support zone. This is a strong support zone. So what has happened here in the past, if you see here in September 2020, when the price came down, okay, after rising, okay, let me make it very clear for you. The price went up, all right, the price came down to this level, okay, to this band of 515 to 480 band. Okay, so 515 to 480 band. When the price came to this level, the price went up from this level. Okay, the price went up from this level. It made a big move. And what was the move from this particular band? The move was nearly 60%, a massive 60% move. All right, again, if you see here what has happened, when the price came down to this level of 515 to 480 band, what did the stock do? The stock made a massive move again of nearly 60%. So this band is of real interest to me, and this creates a interest in this particular stock, because this is giving me a signal that this could now again potentially act as a strong support level. And you could see there has been, when the price came down to this level, the price is already moved up 10%. So this gives me an indication that there is an interest in buying. Will the momentum continue to the upside? You cannot say, because you're dealing with uncertainty. So if the momentum continues, now you could see nearly again a 60% move to these levels. Okay, 60% move to 810 to 800 levels. So this is the move that you could see if the momentum continues in this level. If not, okay, if not, what you could see, you could see the stock going below this level and your stop loss could hit. So if I'm looking to enter this trade, I could enter around this particular level. Okay, if I can enter around this particular level, and I could place a stop loss below this particular band. Okay, below this particular band. So here is my stop loss below this particular band, around this level here. And if the trade goes in my favor here, okay, if the trade goes in my favor here, I could see a big reward potential with a small risk. Okay, you can see that there is a small reward, I mean a big reward potential with a small risk. This is the reason why this stock is of great interest for me. You could see this band, these bands, okay, this level working as a very important support level, and this has happened in the past. If the same continues now in future, then you could see massive move. Okay, you could see massive move. So this is your level. Okay, this is the target if the price moves in this particular direction. And if the market is bullish, and if there is a lot of bullishness in this particular stock, if the stock breaks this level, you could see big higher moves coming into this particular stock. So for now, this stock is interesting me because it is near to the support level. The buying has come in. It's a low risk trade and a high reward potential. So this you could see on the daily time frame also, the price, okay, actually moving out of this particular support level, bouncing higher. It will not go up immediately like this. No, the price will go as per it. It might, you know, take a retracement, take a breather, come back, test the support level, and then make a move higher. All right, so you could see the price making retracement, or it could just keep continuing for some duration, some days. All right, so this is the first stock that I could see a big reward potential, a good return on investment where you could generate wealth from this particular stock. Okay, this is the first stock that I am looking at. This interests me. The second stock that I am looking at is GRSC, that is Garden Reach Shipbuilding. Shipbuilders. Okay, this is the stock, the Garden Reach Shipbuilder. So this is another stock which is interesting me, and I'm going to discuss with you why this stock interests me, why this stock is of particular interest to me here. Right now, what do you see in the chart? Okay, what do you see in the chart? See, there was a kind of consolidation here. Okay, a time of rest period here from July to November, okay, 21 July 2022 now. So there was a long consolidation in this particular stock. All right, and after this particular consolidation here, okay, this is basically your rest period. So after this consolidation here, the bulls decided now it's time for the price to go higher. So there, here you can see there's a good buying interest. There is a good buying interest in this particular stock here. You see here what is happening here now is you can see this resistance which was acting previously. Now what has happened? This has broken. Okay, the price has broken that particular resistance level which was acting as a strong resistance in the month of November year 2019, and it acted as a resistance again in January 2020. Again it acted as a resistance in July 2020. So this zone was basically a strong resistance zone for numerous times. So whenever the price was coming to this particular level, the price has crashed, the price went up, the price has crashed, the price went up, the price has crashed. It went into a consolidation and it has broken out. Okay, it has broken out in that particular resistance level. With, you see this long green color candlestick, this indicates there is a good buying interest in this particular stock. So this is a second stock which interests me. Now, and how we could look at entering this stock, or how I personally could look at entering this particular stock, is making an entry here around this particular level and placing my stop loss level 2 to 3% below this particular band. Okay, 2 to 3% below this particular band. If you know how technical analysis works, is once the resistance is broken, it tends to act, this zone tends to act as a support level. So I am expecting this zone to act as a support level, and I want to place my stop loss below this support level band. So this is the band which is called as the support level band, and I want to place my stop loss 2 to 3% below this particular band. So 2 to 3% below the 229 levels will be my stop loss. The price might, hover around from this level, might come down to this support level, and then you could look at price going a big move higher from this particular level. So now if you see here, this has no previous resistances in this particular stock. So this stock could act as a good reward potential stock, wherein the price could make new highs in the coming days, weeks or months. Okay, so now there's a different strategy when I look at exiting this stock here in this particular. So if you want to learn it, please do leave comments in the comment section how I look at exiting the stock if the price keeps going higher in this particular scenario. All right, this is a different strategy I include, okay, I follow to book the profits if the trade goes in my favor. So this is the second stock that I am looking at. It is Garden Reach Shipbuilder. So this is the weekly chart. You can see clearly here the price breaking out. Okay, the price breaking out, the price making a move higher, breaking the multi resistance levels that was acting in the past. And if the trade does not work in your favor, fine, good enough, you take a small loss, look on to the new trade. If you keep thinking over, oh my god, whether this stock will go into a loss, whether this stock will make profit, then you will miss out on a lot of trades. Okay, so whenever the market presents you the opportunities, go take a trade. If you have a process, if you have a system, okay, go take a trade. So this is the second stock that I'm looking at, Garden Reach Ship Builders, or in short it is called as GRSE. Okay, so this is the second stock where it has a massive reward potential in the stock if the trade keeps going in your favor. All right, if not, okay, and I expect this stock to do personally this stock to do a good reward potential, okay, in future. So this is the second stock. So the third and the final stock that I am looking at, okay, as a Diwali special gift is Radio City. Okay, this is the second stock, the music broadcast stock is what I am looking at. Right now, this stock is of another great interest to me. The simple fact, again, one is low risk trade and a high reward potential. So what are you looking at in this particular stock is, if you see here, this particular zone, okay, this particular zone here was acting as a strong resistance level. Okay, this particular zone was acting as a strong resistance level in the month of March, February and March 2020. Okay, and then from here you could see a big move which has taken this stock all the way down to 12 rupees, from 25 rupees all the way down to 12 rupees. Now this particular strong resistance, okay, this is, I was acting as strong resistance, this was broken around this particular level here, and this zone is acting as a support level. Okay, this zone is acting as a support level in this particular scenario. Now where is the price at? The price is near to the support level. So this is another case in wherein I am interested in these kind of stock, because if, for example, I enter a trade here and this trade goes against me, I take a small loss in this particular stock. But if the trade goes in my favor, okay, the trade goes in my favor, I have a potential to make 100%, nearly 90 to 100% reward potential on this particular stock, that is the Radio City. So if I lose, how much will I lose in this stock? Okay, I might lose, say for example, okay, nearly, say from 20, if I enter at 24 rupees and I place my stop loss near 1950, nearly 5 rupees or 6 rupees is my loss on this particular trade. If I make a profit in this particular trade, what is my reward potential? Look at this, 90 to 100%. Okay, I can make nearly 20 to 22 rupees on this particular trade, and this is the second stock, no, I mean the last stock that I'm looking at and discussing with you. Why am I interested? So all you need to understand in the market is understand what is the human psychology or the traders or investment psychology that is happening in the markets. Do not just jump in. It is very important for you to figure out, okay, yes, technical analysis, but it's also important for you to understand the psychology of the market participants. Are they paying higher? Okay, if they are paying higher, that means they believe something is in store potentially for it in future. Okay, so this is the reason why I have selected these three stocks. The first is the Spandana Spurti, the second one is GRSC, third one is Radio City. All the stocks, okay, these are low risk and a high reward potential. If you go and check my previous videos which I have done on SRT, Transport Finance, HDFC Light, all were low risk and high reward potential, and they have hit the targets. You could see a good profit that you could have generated on this particular stocks. Okay, and this analysis that I showed, okay, and the study that, or the knowledge, my 14 years of stock market experience that I discussed with you is very, very simple. That's what Warren Buffett preaches. I have a simple theory, but it is very difficult for a mankind to, you know, to accept the fact that growing rich is slow, and that is the reason everybody think that, okay, yes, stock market is a place I'll become rich quick. No, it's not. You will end up giving your hard-earned money to the professionals who are ready to grow slowly and become rich slowly, and they take the money from the ones who are not prepared, the ones who don't know how the stock market works, and especially from those who are in a hurry to get rich quick. So this is not an arena to get rich quick. Understand your system, put in your effort in the market, then only the market rewards you. I hope these three stocks, okay, has given you, you know, the chart analysis has given you a lot of idea on how to analyze the charts. Okay, so I request you all, subscribe to my channel, show some love, like the video, share with your friends and family, comment in the comment section. Okay, this motivates me, encourages me to make many more such videos. So I hope this video brings you an understanding of how the markets works. So wait for my next video in the coming days. Thank you.